Guys, and welcome back to another video on the channel. In today's video we're going to be taking a look at question 3 from the QCAA External Exam 2024 paper 2 multiple choice. Now you would have noticed on the video, on the channel, not the video, I've started splitting up all the questions into individual videos. That way I can, if I want to, go into a bit more depth on each question if it's required. It also allows you guys, if you only struggle with certain types of questions, to watch those certain types of questions. In saying that though, the full external exam is still up on YouTube. The link is in the description below. But yeah, if you have any questions at all during this video, leave something in the comments section below and timestamp it, and I'll try my best to answer it. And if you guys need a Methods External Exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below, so you can go get your download. But otherwise, let's get straight into question 3. The derivative of the function f of x is given by f dash of x equals sine of 2x. It is known that f of pi over 2 equals 4. Determine f of x. Okay, so at the moment we have f dash of x, and they're asking us to find out what f of x is. Well, to go from f of x to f dash of x, you have to differentiate. Therefore, to go backwards, you have to integrate with respect to the variable, so x in this case here. So realistically, what we should start off with is start integrating this guy here. So we have f dash of x equals sine 2x. Then we'd integrate that on both sides here. The left hand side will just turn into f of x. And then the right hand side, we'd have to integrate sine, so it will turn into minus cos, and then you've got the 2x. Then you'll have to divide by the derivative of the inside function, which in this case here, the derivative of 2x is 2, so it's over 2. And then we add our constant of integration, okay? Now straight away, when we're looking at this, we can eliminate two possible answers perhaps. See how these ones here don't have a divide by 2 on the cos, but these bottom ones do? So straight away you could probably say, oh, it's neither one of these guys here. Now, in saying that as well, you also see this as a negative sign. This has a negative sign, that has a positive. So straight away we could probably say the answer is going to be C most likely. However, I'll show you the full working as well here, if you didn't notice that trick as well. So, the reason why they gave us this information up here, the f pi over 2 equals 4, is to work out what the plus C is. Because if we chuck this information into here, we'll be able to solve for C. So here we go, f of pi over 2 equals negative cos 2 times by pi over 2 plus C. Now here we know this is equal to 4, so we can replace that with 4. Now here what we would do next is see the 2's cancel out here. So now we're going to work out what cos of pi is. Now if we were to think of our cos curve, or just to know it off by heart, we know pi is located here, so it would be equal to negative 1. So cos of pi is negative 1. So here we have negative of negative 1 over 2 plus c is equal to 4. So here that's basically positive a half on one side. So you have 4 equals a half plus c. We then move the half to the other side. So c equals 4 minus a half. So here we get 4 equals, well not 4, it'd be 3.5. So here we can see that matches that one there, and it doesn't match that guy. So C is definitely our correct answer. Alright, if you had any issues with that, then you need to study just basic integration questions. But otherwise, if you had any questions at all, leave something in the comments. And if you guys need a Methods External Exam bundle pack, the link is in the description below. But otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video.